If you own a Volkswagen in 2026, listen carefully, because the dealership scams right now aren't the old upsell a filter stuff anymore. They've upgraded. You walk in for a simple oil change, and suddenly you're being told you need an urgent service to prevent engine damage, a transmission job to protect your warranty, and a couple of add-ons that sound official, because they're explained with technical words, printed on a clean invoice, and delivered like it's just normal. But here's the truth. A lot of these recommendations are not required, not urgent, and sometimes not even based on a real diagnosis. They're based on scripts, packages, and profit targets. And VW owners who don't ask the right questions get hit the hardest. So in this 2026 update, I'm going to show you the newest Volkswagen dealership money traps happening right now, and more importantly, the exact phrases you should say to shut them down politely, protect your car, and keep your wallet intact. Because if you watch this before your next dealership visit, it could literally save you hundreds, maybe even thousands. Scam number 1, the engine carbon service pressure sale. One of the biggest dealership moneymakers in 2026 is what I call the engine carbon pressure sale. You go in for something basic, oil change, inspection, maybe a routine service, and the advisor comes back telling you your engine has carbon buildup that needs immediate attention. They'll explain that modern turbocharged direct injection Volkswagen engines are prone to deposits on the intake side, and that cleaning it now will protect performance and prevent expensive repairs later. The way it's presented makes it sound urgent and technical. The price usually lands somewhere in the several $100 range, sometimes even higher depending on the model. Now here's the key difference between real maintenance and a sales tactic. Carbon buildup is a gradual process. It develops over long mileage and typically shows symptoms before it becomes serious. Things like noticeable drivability changes or fault codes. In many routine service visits, there hasn't been any deep inspection to physically confirm excessive buildup. In most cases, the recommendation is triggered by mileage, not by a measured problem. That's the part most owners don't realize. The service advisor often cannot show you visual proof without major disassembly. They are basing the recommendation on a general pattern, not on a confirmed condition specific to your vehicle that day. Here's how you respond professionally and confidently. Ask them what exact symptom your car is currently exhibiting that this service will correct. Then, ask how they verified that the buildup has reached a level that requires immediate cleaning. If the explanation shifts back to, "It's common at this mileage," or "We recommend it for prevention," you're looking at an optional service, not an urgent repair. Preventive care is important, but preventive care should follow Volkswagen's official maintenance schedule and real vehicle behavior, not a blanket recommendation designed to increase ticket size. When you calmly ask for evidence instead of reacting to the word engine, the conversation changes. And most of the time, the urgency suddenly becomes much less dramatic. That's how you stay in control of the decision. Scam number 2, the early transmission service upsell. This one sounds smart, which is why it works so well. You're at the dealership for routine service, and the advisor tells you your transmission fluid should be changed early to protect the gearbox and avoid expensive repairs later. Because transmission repairs are costly, most owners agree immediately. But here's what matters. Volkswagen transmissions have specific service intervals depending on the exact model and type. DSG, automatic, different engines. They don't all follow the same schedule. Yet some dealerships recommend transmission service based on a generic upsell pattern instead of your car's official maintenance requirement. Sometimes they even push a full flush procedure without clearly explaining whether your transmission actually calls for that method. The right move is simple. Ask them to show you the official Volkswagen service interval for your exact transmission at your current mileage. Then ask what condition triggered the recommendation. Is there an issue? Or is it just mileage? If it's not tied directly to the factory schedule or a confirmed problem, it's likely optional, not urgent. Transmission maintenance is important, but timing and accuracy matter. Don't approve it just because it sounds protective. Approve it because it's actually required. Scam number 3, the add-on DSG service charges. If you own a Volkswagen with a DSG transmission, you already know it has a specific service interval. That part is legitimate. Fluid and filter changes at the proper mileage are important. The problem in 2026 isn't the DSG service itself. It's what gets quietly added to it. You'll be quoted for DSG service, and then the invoice suddenly includes extra items like clutch adaptation, software optimization, advanced recalibration, or other technical-sounding procedures. Each one adds more cost, and because the terminology sounds complex, most owners assume it must be necessary. Here's the reality. The standard DSG service is clearly defined. Fluid and filter replacement at the proper interval. Beyond that, additional procedures should only be performed if there is an actual shifting issue, fault code, or manufacturer-required update. If your transmission is shifting smoothly and there are no warning lights, those extra charges often fall into the category of optional add-ons, not required maintenance. The smart way to respond is simple. Ask for a fully itemized breakdown and request that they clearly separate required maintenance from optional procedures. Then ask what specific problem each extra item is solving. If the explanation becomes vague or generic, that's your sign to pause. A properly maintained DSG is reliable, but stacking unnecessary extras onto a routine service is one of the easiest ways dealerships increase your bill in 2026. Keep it focused on what Volkswagen actually requires, nothing more. Scam number 4, the overpriced brake fluid urgency pitch. Brake fluid service is real maintenance. It's not a myth, and it's not fake. Volkswagen does recommend replacing brake fluid at specific time intervals because it absorbs moisture over time. The issue in 2026 isn't the service itself, it's how it's being sold. You'll be told your brake fluid tested high for moisture and that it needs immediate replacement. Sometimes they'll show you a tester reading or describe it as a safety risk that shouldn't be delayed. Then comes the quote, and suddenly a relatively simple service carries a premium price. Here's what most owners don't realize. Brake fluid replacement is a straightforward procedure. It doesn't require exotic parts or secret formulas. As long as the correct specification fluid is used for your Volkswagen, the job itself is not complex. The interval is typically time-based, not panic-based. So instead of reacting to the word safety, respond with clarity. Ask what the actual moisture reading is. Ask what Volkswagen's recommended interval is for your model. Then ask for the total out-the-door cost for only the brake fluid service. Nothing bundled. If the recommendation matches the official schedule, great. If it's being pushed early with inflated pricing and dramatic language, you're looking at an upsell. Brake maintenance is important, but urgency should come from the manufacturer's timeline or real performance issues, not from pressure at the service desk. Scam number 5, the engine air filter markup. This one is simple, fast, and extremely profitable for dealerships. During routine service, the technician checks your engine air filter. A few minutes later, the advisor tells you it's dirty and recommends replacement. They may even show it to you, and yes, it will look dusty. That's because an air filter's job is to trap dirt. Then comes the price. What most owners don't realize is that engine air filters are designed to last tens of thousands of miles under normal driving conditions. A slightly dirty filter does not automatically mean it's clogged or restricting airflow. It just means it's doing its job. The second part of the problem is the markup. The same filter being quoted at a premium price can often be purchased elsewhere for a fraction of the cost, and replacement usually takes only a few minutes. Here's how you handle it. Ask whether the filter is actually restricted or just visually dirty. Then ask for the breakdown of part cost and labor. Once you see the numbers separated, it becomes much easier to evaluate. If it truly needs replacement according to mileage or condition, go ahead. But if it's simply being recommended because it's an easy add-on, you can decline confidently and replace it later on your own schedule. Small services like this may not seem like much, but repeated over time, they add up. Staying informed keeps those small charges from quietly turning into large unnecessary expenses. Scam number 6, the cabin filter quick add-on. This one usually comes right after the engine air filter. The advisor tells you your cabin air filter is dirty and recommends immediate replacement to improve air quality. They may even show it to you covered in dust, which sounds alarming. But remember, the cabin filter is designed to trap dust and pollen. It's supposed to look used over time. That alone doesn't mean it's overdue. Volkswagen provides specific replacement intervals, and under normal driving conditions, the filter often lasts much longer than one service visit. The bigger issue is the markup. Dealerships frequently charge premium prices for a part that's inexpensive and quick to replace. Before approving it, ask if it's actually past the manufacturer's interval and request the part and labor costs separately. If it's truly due, replace it. If it's just dusty, you can wait or handle it yourself. Small add-ons like this are how service bills quietly grow. Scam number 7, the diagnostic fee trap. This one feels legitimate, and that's exactly why it catches so many Volkswagen owners off guard. Your check engine light comes on, or there's a warning message on the dashboard. You take your VW to the dealership, and they tell you there's a diagnostic charge just to inspect the issue. That part can be fair. Modern cars are complex, and proper diagnostics take time and equipment. Here's where things get real. You approve the diagnostic. They find the problem. You agree to the repair. Everything seems straightforward. Then you see the final invoice, and the diagnostic fee is still sitting there as a separate full charge on top of the repair cost. You just paid to identify the issue and then paid again to fix it, with no credit applied. In many independent shops, the diagnostic fee is reduced or credited if you proceed with the repair. At some dealerships, it's simply added on top. No discussion, no adjustment. That's why this matters. Before authorizing any diagnostic work, say this clearly. If I approve the repair, will the diagnostic fee be credited toward the final bill? Don't assume. Don't leave it implied. Get a direct answer. Because once the repair is complete and the invoice is printed, it's much harder to question it. Diagnostics are part of modern vehicle repair. Paying twice for the same visit shouldn't be. When you ask the right question up front, you stay in control. And you avoid one of the most common billing surprises Volkswagen owners experience in 2026. If there's one thing I want you to take away from this video, it's this. Dealership service is not the enemy. Lack of knowledge is. Your Volkswagen deserves proper maintenance, but you also deserve clear explanations, fair pricing, and recommendations based on facts, not pressure. The moment you slow the conversation down, ask for documentation, and separate required from optional, everything changes. You stop reacting to urgency and start making decisions with confidence. And that's how you protect your car and your wallet at the same time. If this video helped you, make sure you like it so more Volkswagen owners can see it. And if you want honest VW advice, real maintenance guidance, and dealership truths without the drama, subscribe to Volkswagen Hub. We're building a community of informed Volkswagen owners who know exactly what they're paying for and why. I'll see you in the next one.